Alright, this is 1470 Hill Drive, and I'm going through the stack on the back left hand side of the house. Cast iron stack. And now we are under the house. This would be under the back left bathroom. A little bit of toilet paper debris. And we just went into a combo, probably going into the main line. Looks like there may be a sag in here, but we'll see if we come out of it. So you can see cast iron pipe, and it's holding some water and some debris. That was our toilet paper clog right there. Just pushed through it. So definitely clogged up as of right now. Right back here. You can see where I pushed the toilet paper kind of through there. Right before a combo, you can see where it was all bunched up right in here. So we were able to unclog it. We'll let that water run out. some toilet paper debris in the line here. Let's try to see if I can't get it to push through. I'm also flushing the line out too. There we go, we got that toilet paper washing through now. Want to make sure we have nice good flow going through there, then we can inspect all the way back. There we go, beautiful flow. Just letting all that water drain out. Everything's draining nice. So this is back right where that combo was. This is where all the toilet paper was. So definitely got the toilet paper clog clean. Lines could use a hydro jetting or cleaning for sure. Everything's unclogged and flowing. Cast iron pipes are holding a little bit of water. So this is definitely what was causing the water to show up inside the house last Friday. So that's the combo coming back up to the bathroom. And then now I'm coming up the stack. And I'm pulling out the stack. So clog is absolutely what caused all the water to show up in the house. And I'm going to conclude the video.